In this video, we're looking at the Holographic Market Microstructure Indicator by AlphaNatt on TradingView. This tool shows us where liquidity is sitting, where smart money is accumulating or distributing, and how price is behaving inside premium and discount zones. It automatically marks liquidity sweeps, highlights the holographic blocks, and shows the internal structure levels where momentum shifts. By the end of the video, you'll know how to use these zones for clean entries and take profit targets. So stay tuned till the end. First, open TradingView and click on the Indicators tab at the top of your chart. Next, type Holographic Market Microstructure into the search bar. Select the indicator created by AlphaNatt, and it will instantly load on your chart with the default settings. Alright, once you load the Holographic Market Microstructure indicator onto your chart, here are the key elements you'll notice immediately. First, you'll see purple and blue holographic zones surrounding price. The purple zones represent discount areas where buy-side interest usually increases, while the blue zones mark premium areas where sell-side pressure typically builds. You'll also notice the X markers around major highs and lows. The blue X appears above highs and shows where buy-side liquidity sits, basically where traders have their stop losses. The pink X sits below lows and marks sell-side liquidity. Next, pay attention to the dashed structure lines connecting recent swing points. These lines show you whether the current market structure is trending bullish or bearish and help you see how price is reacting inside each holographic zone. And on the right side of your chart, the microstructure panel displays quick information about the market's internal state, things like structure direction, flow, liquidity conditions, and divergence. In short, what you're seeing is a full visual map of liquidity, structure, discount and premium zones, and internal momentum, all in one tool, plotted directly on your chart. So now, let's go into the indicator settings, and we're actually using the default settings here. The first thing you want to do to make your chart cleaner is to turn off Show Liquidity Void. Then, scroll down to where you have Volume Heat Map, and also turn off Show Volume Heat Map. Doing this will immediately make your chart a lot cleaner and easier to read. Next, when you scroll back up, you'll see the Smart Money period. This setting controls how far back the indicator should analyze the accumulation and distribution behavior. The pink zone you're seeing on the chart is the accumulation behavior, and the blue zone you're seeing is the distribution behavior. So this Smart Money period is what tells the indicator how to detect these zones. If you increase the value from 20 to maybe 50, you'll notice the zones start looking distorted because the indicator is analyzing too far back. And if you reduce it too much, maybe down to 10, the chart becomes clumsy and messy because the accumulation and distribution zones start overlapping. So the best thing is to just keep it at the default value of 20. Then as usual, make sure Show Smart Money Zone is selected so that the indicator can display both the distribution zones and the accumulation zones clearly on your chart. That's all the settings we need for this video. Once you're done, just click OK to save the settings. Next, we're going to discuss a trend reversal trade setup using a liquidity sweep combined with a breakout. So the buy trade idea here is very simple. We can see price in a clear bearish move, and the indicator is printing all these pink holographic discount zones as price continues pushing to the downside. After that long bearish leg, price moves into this accumulation phase. This sideways movement right here inside the discount zone. And from that accumulation, price takes out the liquidity sitting below the range and immediately reacts bullish. You can see price took out the sell-side liquidity below the range, and from there, price continues pushing upward aggressively. Now, how do we enter this trade? It's very simple. All you need to do is wait for price to clear above the upper boundary of this consolidation, basically above that premium shift level, which is the top of the holographic block. Once price closes comfortably above that level, then you can consider your buy entry. So when you watch the price action, you can clearly see that price closes out of the range with a very strong bullish displacement candle. That candle gives us the confirmation we need. So you simply enter your long position at the close of that candle and place your stop loss below this swing low inside the discount zone. For your take profit level, just target this buy side liquidity above, that blue X at the top. That is your first liquidity objective. And if you let the trade run, you can clearly see how price moves smoothly in our direction and eventually reaches the take profit target. Now let's flip the logic for the sell trade, and the process is just as simple. So price was initially in an uptrend. You can see price clearly pushing higher and tapping into all these blue premium zones. Then price moved into this little range band movement right here. From that point, price took out this buy-side liquidity and immediately flipped bearish. We actually took out the buy-side liquidity and price fell straight down. Now to take this trade, it's very simple. All we need to do is wait for price to break below this point right here, the lower boundary of the pink holographic block, because that is the continuation level. Before now, we can see price didn't break it yet, but eventually we get this clean break below the pinkish zone. So once that break happens, we just enter our short position at the break of the pinkish block. Your stop loss should be placed above the swing high before the breakout move. And then your take profit goes at the next pinkish level down here, which is the next discount zone the indicator is showing. If you look towards the right-hand side, you can see your target placed at the lower holographic zone. And if you allow this trade to run, you can see how price continues moving down smoothly until it reaches our take profit target with ease. So, the next trade setup is the trend continuation trade setup. For a buy trade, you want to consistently see the blue holographic premium zones forming higher highs and higher lows, just like we have on the chart right now. And after this pink X is formed, you simply wait for price to break above the blue X over here before considering a buy trade. So if you wait patiently, you will see price comfortably breaking above that buy-side liquidity level with a strong bullish candle. Once that breakout happens, we can now enter our long position. Place your stop loss at the pink X zone over here. That's your sell-side liquidity sweep. Then set your take profit target at around a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. If you let this trade run, you can see that price moves smoothly and eventually hits the take profit target with ease. And that's how you can trade effectively using the Holographic Market Microstructure Indicator by AlphaNatt. From identifying real liquidity sweeps, reading premium and discount holographic zones, confirming structure shifts, and catching early reversals with smart money precision. This tool gives you a clean and reliable way to understand the true intent behind every price move. Always manage your risk properly, respect your stop-loss levels, and follow your take-profit rules. And most importantly, backtest each setup on a demo account until you're fully comfortable with how the holographic zones and liquidity markers behave in live market conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.